Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beading. Let's make some fun stretch rings for the season. So flowers are so very in right now. So I'm using some flat rectangle pad silver tone stretch rings, and they are a perfect match for adding some beautiful floral cabochons. These are incredible. This one is huge, but it is a great statement ring for spring and summer. You could also do a smaller one, and with this rectangle, you'll have a little bit of a frame around the flower. It's really beautiful. So I'm protecting my workspace. I'm just using some E6000 glue and a toothpick, and I'm making sure that I don't add too much glue, but I need to make sure I have enough glue. It's kind of a very fine touch you'll need to have. And you'll take your toothpick and you'll just add that glue in the center of the rectangle, spread it around a bit. I texture it a little bit, and then for this particular flower, I want to make sure it's oriented the way I like it to be displayed on the ring. And you can press it down in the back, get it situated. You've got some time with E6000 to get it just right. And I'm pressing down just for a few seconds, and then I can set it down to let it dry. The second one I made with the smaller flower, I actually put onto a ring mandrel to dry. And then when the other one was a little bit drier, I put that one on the ring mandrel as well, and I let them dry for a bit. I love how these came out. They're so fun, they're so easy, and you can have the perfect rings for spring and summer. You can find everything to make these fun and fabulous flower rings at beadaholic.com. Thank you so much for watching.